Good morning, traders. Welcome to this week's cryptocurrency market analysis webinar. As you know, we've used the ELLIOTTWAVE theory to forecast the cryptocurrency market. The ELLIOTTWAVE theory is applicable to all markets, whether it is the indices, the stocks, forex, even cryptocurrencies. That's why you've seen the accuracy of the strategy over the last couple of years when we're forecasting this. All right, so let us get started. If you'd like to contact us, go under the description of all our videos on our YouTube channel. You'll find the links to all our social media pages, including the link to our homepage. All right, so we post up a lot of charts on our social media pages. So if you follow us there, you'll see a lot of these charts and update. All right, so we are currently in the first week of our online course. We've just concluded the first week. We're concluding next week. So this will be off by the end of today. So the special is over. So we are back to normal prices there. So if you would like to make any inquiries regarding our course and how to join, you can use that global chat. We prefer that you use the global chat. Although we've got the WhatsApp number here, you will get feedback, but we prefer that you use this. That's where you'll get the quickest response on the global chat. Let's get started and look at the cryptocurrencies. What is happening with Bitcoin and the altcoins? What do we expect of the move to go to the of the next move? So let's have a look here on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has made this move to the downside, which we are still looking at as a 5-wave structure. So 1, 2, 3, and this looks like a wave 4. Now, there's a bit of a trick. This is a bit tricky here on the wave 4 because you could look at this as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Does this mean that all the 5 waves have played out here? And it actually makes sense because if you look at wave 5, which is a requirement, it is a requirement that you've got divergence between waves 3 and 5. Okay, on the RSI, if this is going to make a 3-wave correction. Okay, do we have that divergence? If you look at that, then we've got divergence here. This has made divergence here. This has made, this has started making divergence here. Look at that. Look at that clear divergence. Let me draw it with a straight line so we don't force it. I don't want us to force it. I want it to be clear. That is divergence there. Let's put it right for peak for peak. Let's do that. Draw it again with a straight line. So peak for peak, this is the peak here. That's where it is. And that is the divergence on the RSI. Okay, so this has made a new low here. We've made a new low, but the RSI has made a new high. And since then, the RSI has been making a move to the upside. Does this mean that all the 5 waves have completed? So that remains to be seen. So this is the 4th wave here that we were looking at. So we looked at these to be a move to the upside. If you remember, I drew these lines here, expecting this to be a move to the upside. We expected these to be a 3-wave structure as follows. 1, 2, 3. So we're still expecting this to continue to the upside. The last time we expected this to bounce up here with an impulse, but because it is not bouncing up with an impulse, this may not necessarily happen as a wave 4. So instead, this will be a wave 4 here. As follows. So wave 4 will be this one here that is completed here, and we are now looking for this one to be the wave 5 here. Can we start getting a 3-wave pullback? Let's see here. We're going to take it one wave at a time. So the next move that we're expecting is for this to pull to the upside. So we're expecting Bitcoin to push to the upside. This corrective structure here may become even more flatter, looking like this, and then upside. And the wider it is, it means that we may still get one more move to the downside. So for the next move, let us look at this as a 3 waves to the upside after the wave 5 here as a 3-wave pullback, and then we start looking for a move to the upside. Okay, we're going to be looking to get to around these levels on Bitcoin. All right, so that is what we're looking at on Bitcoin. Ethereum. So Ethereum started a move to the upside. The reason why we have got the move to the upside, okay, we're forecasting this on Ethereum, the 3-wave structure here, and that we're going to retest the top here. But here we've got a deeper pullback. We've got 3 waves up. Looks like this is an expanding flat. We can get a move like this on Ethereum. So we can get this one pulling back to the upside. So the structure will still be 3 waves to the upside on Ethereum. We may just get one more down here. But for now, we're going to take it one wave at a time. We're going to expect Ethereum to push slightly higher. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. So just watch this as well. So because this is a bit tricky, this could be 3 waves. If this is all the 3 waves, you will get the 3 waves here and push to the upside. Either way, we'll be looking for a move, continuation move to the upside on Ethereum. Litecoin, similar move as Ethereum. So we were also looking for this one to make a complete 3-wave structure here to go and retest the top here. But again, because this is now gone sideways here, this is looking like it's going up in 3 waves. So if it's going up in 3 waves, it means that we may not reach that level and we may not get the move all the way to the upside. So let's see, we may get a move back here, but we're not worried about this yet. We just want to see this push to the upside here as the next move here. So Ripple, let's have a look at Ripple. Ripple, the same, it has gone up in 3 waves. In the lower degree, these are the 3 waves on Ripple. We've pulled back in 3, so we'll be expecting Ripple to make a 3-wave structure here as follows. Dogecoin. Dogecoin is very interesting. It has been around the same price range for a while. Let's have a look here. This price range here. If we break out of this structure, we may get back to around 35 cents, $35 here on Ripple, not Ripple, rather on Dogecoin. So the bigger structure on Ripple has been this one here. So we looked at this one to be 3 waves to the downside, 3 waves to the upside, 3 waves to the downside. Are we going to get another 3 waves up here back to about $35, which will be about 40 cents to around those levels. Let's watch Dogecoin here. There's a likelihood that we get back to around 40 cents on Dogecoin. So let's keep an eye on that. All right, ADA. ADA, similar to Ethereum, has made a move to the upside. We may get a structure like this on ADA, pulls back and upside. So just like the other altcoins, we were looking for this to go and retest the previous highs here at this level to make this corrective structure here. So we are still looking for more upside, but it's not going up impulsively as expected. So we'll be watching for this to make the next move to the upside. Lastly, last but not least, Binance. Binance, this is a motive wave on Binance. This is a move like that, so we can expect this one to make a 3-wave pullback and continue to the upside. Again, all of these structures, we have been looking for these structures for a while. Let's see how this plays out. So it has been going in the direction that we've forecasted, but we just don't like the type of wave that is making corrective structure. We wanted to see it go up in an impulse or a very strong 3-wave structure. Okay, so that is a Binance. And now lastly, I'm going to look at Link. Let's have a look at Link. Link, 3 waves up. Looks like we already have the 3 waves here on Link. Can we get a move to the upside here in another 3 waves? Okay, the move to the upside does not look so strong as it is going up correctively, but we can get up to around these levels. So let's see what we get here with Link and the rest of the cryptocurrencies. Right, guys, that's all for this week. If you like what we do here, please drop us a like button or hit the like button, as well as that bell notification button, so that next time we upload a video, you get an alert. Drop us your comment as well. We appreciate your feedback. Have a great week and trade responsibly. Cheers, everybody. Bye-bye.